Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be quickly setting up a CAM project for our actual mini series, and this will be for FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos. We also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. Now, we've already covered the basic overview of what CAM is, but now in order to demonstrate some of these features in a practical approach, so you can understand it better, we're going to have to just set up a quick scene first. So now we've got our program already opened. So now what I want to do is I want to go to File, and then I want to go to New Sheet, or on our primary toolbar here, I'm just going to click New Sheet, and then from this little menu, I'm going to select the 2000 by 1000, and I'm going to set the beam diameter to 1. I say OK, and then we have our scene set up. Not sure what just happened there, but our actual scene, okay, there we go. So we've got a scene set up. Now I'm going to just add a quick, maybe about 3 flat parts. So let's go to flat parts. I think let's just pick some simple ones. So we'll start with a actual just circle. Let's maybe make this about 400. I'm going to keep the name the same, P13. And then I'm going to go manual quantity 1, add it. And then we add this to our actual canvas. So we can see that's our shape number 1. Then we go to flat parts. Let's add 2 more. So I would say let's grab maybe one of these hexagon type shapes. We want the actual size of this. I'm also going to go 400. Let's make it 300 just to vary it a bit. And then the rounding, I'm going to make about 50. I'll say OK. Manual quantity 1. Add. And then we add this to our canvas. I'm going to put it there at the bottom right. And then let's add one more part. And I'm thinking of maybe a bit of a rectangle. So it's got P7. Now we can make this one 500 by 400. Leave the name the same. Okay. Manual quantity 1. And say add. Add this to our canvas. And there you go. Now we've got 3 shapes. So ready to start demonstrating what our CAM feature can do. But before that, I would say let's quickly go to File. Make sure we save our file, or you can go on our primary toolbar here, click on Save. Then you want to navigate to where you want to save it. I already have a file here called Progress. Progress file CAM. We're going to leave that. Say Save, Overwrite. Yes. So it is quite important to save it. It just tells us here that the file has been saved correctly. So now in our next videos, we can easily just jump in and carry on with this. But before that, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different software we do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.